Open the seat and using a T25 torque wrench, remove the two bolts from the tank cover. Remove the cover by pulling back and up slightly. Use a pick or a small screwdriver to remove the retaining clip from the hinge pin. Be careful not to lose it. Remove the hinge pin and be very careful not to lose the washer right behind the spring. Install your safety clip back on the pin and put it aside with your stock seat. You won't be needing it for the Corbin seat. Using a T25 torque wrench, remove the two hinge bolts and remove the saddle. Install the replacement Corbin tank cover using your stock hardware. Install your Corbin bracket using your stock hardware. The bracket is slotted so it only goes one way. Secure your tool tray using the provided 6mm bolt. Secure the Corbin saddle using the provided 6mm bolts using a 4mm Allen head. To latch down the Corbin saddle, simply open the release, push down firmly where the bracket sits. Once the seat is down, go ahead and push in the release to give it a snugger fit. For the heated model, we'll start by simply feeding the wire with the fused end behind the bracket. Make sure you're under the bracket and to the left side of the bike. Leave enough of the pigtail to reach the hinge. We are going to need about 12 inches of slack at the end. Using the provided zip ties, secure the pigtail. Continue to feed Corbin pigtail behind the frame past the swing arm. You want to reach the 12-volt battery that sits in front of the rear tire. Remove the battery cover by taking off the bolt and hinge it out, clearing these mounting tabs. So this is wiring 101. Connect the Corbin pigtail by always, and I mean always, disconnect your ground first, then your power. To install it, install your power and then your ground. Reinstall the battery cover and tighten it securely. Turn on your ignition and turn on your Corbin saddle switch just to make sure it's working. And go for a ride.